Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Power BI. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a topic, manual data refresh in Power BI. So here if you can see in an Excel sheet, I have all the countries, I have the quantity, I have total value and sales data. So now let us load this file into Power BI and then I'll tell how manual refresh will be working. So just simply load this file. I go to Excel workbook. From my local desktop, I'm taking this file into my Power BI and it's getting loaded. Now navigator will be appearing. Here is the navigator and I'm selecting this file because the Excel sheet has only one file. Yeah, load. Now the data is getting loaded into Power BI. Here if you can see the data is getting, all the data has been loaded. Now in the table, I'll take the table visualization and I keep all the values here. Country followed by quantity, sales data, total value. Okay. So now see, I have all the countries here, quantity, sales data, sum of total value. Now, if I go back to my Excel sheet here, now I simply add a country here. That is Iran. I'll be adding Iran as a country here and I'll add 9,000 as a quantity and I will add about 60,000 as value and let us add 2 lakh 5,000. Sorry, 2 lakh 5,000. Sorry, 2 lakh 5,000. Yes. So now I have added a value of Iran countries. Okay. So don't go by the value and the logic, just see how manual refresh will be working. So I've added a country here, Iran. I've added a quantity here. I added a total value here and I added a sales data here. Now I'm going to save this file. Yes, I've saved this file. Now, how do I get the data which I have loaded in my Excel sheet of my laptop in Power BI? How do I able to refresh this data? Simply go to refresh in the top and just click on refresh. See, Iran is added, right? If you can see here, Iran is added. So this is how you'll be adding a simple data, manual data refresh in this way. I'll show you another country to add. Let us add Iraq. Let us add 10,000 as a quantity. Let us add 70,000 as a value. And let us add 2 lakh 6,000 as the sales value. Okay, I'll highlight this one in other color for just for your reference. Okay. So I have added Iraq as a country now. Again, go back here and just click on refresh. Yeah, see, the Iraq has not been updated here. Why? Because see, I added here in the Excel sheet, but I didn't refresh, I didn't load this in my Excel sheet. I didn't save this file. Okay. Since I didn't save this file, the data will not be refreshed. Now I've saved it and just click on refresh. See, now Iraq has been arrived. Okay. So this is how manual refresh will be working. Now I simply add another column here. I just add a margin as a column. Okay. Let us take sales into 20% of the sales as a margin. Okay. I'll just drag it down here. Okay. Just go to here. Numbers. Okay. This is as the number. And okay. I'll just select these two. Format painter and select this one. Yes. Now you have margin as a column which we have added. And let us see will margin get updated or not in Power BI. Okay, now I have saved this file. Just go to Power BI and simply click on refresh. Yes, see if you can see here at the right side at the data pane, you can see the margin has been added. If I click on here, see the margin has been added, but here margin is not showing the sum. How do I get the sum here? Just click on here, margin. Don't summarize what it is given. So why? Okay. to go to margin, just change this data type as number. Okay, whole number, and yes, and sum. Okay, now you will be getting. I just unselect everything here and I reselect everything. Country, quantity, sales, total value, and margin. Yes, see, you're getting the total here. So this is how manual refresh will be working, which is vertically and also the columns which you add. Now, simply look at the sales data in my Excel sheet. I'm just adding a full stop here. Sales data dot. Okay. And I'll add a other country, that is some other continent. Okay, I'll add a continent here. I'll add it 11,000. Let us add this one as 80,000. And let us get, just drag this formula here to 20%. Sales value into 20%, right? Okay, and let us make it this one as 2,000, 2,07,000. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, I'll highlight this one with another color, that is green in color. Okay, here. Now I'll save this file and let us see will manual refresh will work or not. See, there's an error. The column sales data dot of the table wasn't formed because the main rule of data refresh, manual data refresh, is always your headers should be the same. If your headers are changing, the data will never be getting updated. That is the biggest rule. The biggest rule of the manual refresh in Power BI is you should have all your columns headers should be the same. The column headers should always be the same. Then you can add how much ever data you want manually in the Power BI by just clicking a refresh as a button. Now the data will be updated. Just I'll save this file and go to Power BI and refresh this file. Europe will be added. See, the Europe has been added now. Got it? So this is how manual refresh will be working. Hope this video is useful to you. We'll meet in next video. Thank you so much.